Hey ocean lovers! Welcome back to Apple English. Today, we're about to explore one of the most fascinating and mysterious creatures on Earth, the octopus. With its alien-like appearance, unmatched intelligence, and some truly mind-blowing abilities, the octopus has captured the curiosity of scientists and storytellers alike. So, let's dive in and uncover the incredible world of this eight-armed wonder. To begin with, what exactly is an octopus? Octopuses are soft-bodied marine animals belonging to the class Cephalopoda, which also includes squid, cuttlefish, and nautiluses. The word octopus comes from the Greek word octopus, meaning 8 feet, a perfect name for a creature with 8 flexible arms. They live in oceans all over the world, from warm tropical waters to the deep cold sea. In fact, scientists have identified over 300 different species of octopus, each with its own unique traits. Now, let's take a closer look at their strange but fascinating anatomy. For one, they have no bones at all, which makes their bodies incredibly flexible. They can squeeze through holes as small as a coin. Even more surprising, they have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. And here's a crazy fact. The main heart actually stops beating when they swim. Their blood is also quite unique. It's blue, not red, because it contains a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which works better in cold, low-oxygen environments. And while people often refer to their limbs as tentacles, technically, octopuses have arms, not tentacles, and each one is lined with suckers that can grip, taste, and even think on its own. And speaking of thinking, octopuses are incredibly intelligent. They're often called the geniuses of the sea, and for good reason. They can solve puzzles, escape from jars, and even remember specific people, often showing curiosity or dislike. Some have even been observed playing, which is a rare behavior in animals and a strong sign of complex intelligence. They also use tools. For example, the veined octopus has been seen collecting coconut shells to use as portable shelters. Imagine an animal that can carry its own armor in a world full of predators. But what really sets the octopus apart from most other animals is its ability to disappear right before your eyes. Yes, octopuses are masters of disguise. They can change the color, texture, and even shape of their skin to blend in with rocks, sand, or coral. This incredible camouflage happens in just a fraction of a second, thanks to special pigment cells in their skin called chromatophores. Some species go even further. The mimic octopus, for example, can impersonate other sea creatures like lionfish or flatfish, not just in color, but also in movement and behavior. And yet, here comes one of the biggest surprises of all. Octopuses are colorblind. Yes, you heard that right. Despite being the ultimate camo champions, they technically can't see color the way we do. This might sound impossible, but it's true. Their eyes have only one type of photoreceptor, which means they don't see color in the traditional sense. So how can a creature that's supposedly colorblind match the colors of its surroundings so perfectly? Well, scientists have been asking the same question, and there are a few fascinating theories. First, some research suggests that octopus skin can detect light directly without needing the eyes. It's almost as if their skin can see light levels and respond accordingly. Second, instead of recognizing colors, octopuses might rely on contrast, brightness, and texture to blend in. For a predator looking for food, those visual cues are often more important than color. And here's the most intriguing idea. Some scientists believe that octopuses might use chromatic aberration, a natural distortion in light, to detect differences in color based on how sharp or blurry an image appears. It's a form of color vision, but without needing multiple photoreceptors. Truly mind-blowing stuff. Now, let's talk about survival, because the ocean is full of danger. Octopuses may not have hard shells or sharp teeth, but they've developed clever ways to protect themselves. One of the most well-known is their ability to release a cloud of ink, which confuses predators and gives them time to escape. They can also detach an arm to distract a predator, and yes, it grows back. And if they need to leave in a hurry, they can shoot water through a special funnel called a siphon, using jet propulsion to zoom away. However, even these ocean escape artists can't escape time. Most octopuses live short lives, usually just 1 to 2 years. After mating, males die shortly afterward. Females lay thousands of eggs and guard them without eating for weeks or even months. Once the babies hatch, the mother dies, a process known as semelparity, where an animal reproduces once and then dies. Even with such short lives, octopuses never fail to impress us. There are so many fun and unexpected facts about them. Did you know? They can escape from aquariums and even sneak into other tanks to steal fish. Their arms can taste what they touch, thanks to special receptors in their suckers. Each arm has its own mini brain, allowing it to act semi-independently. And yes, their brain is shaped like a donut, and their esophagus passes through it, meaning they have to be careful not to eat anything too hard, or they might damage their brain while swallowing. Of course, even these amazing creatures face real-world challenges. Octopuses are often caught for food in many parts of the world, and some species are under pressure due to overfishing, climate change, and habitat destruction. There's also growing debate about octopus farming, which raises ethical questions because of their high intelligence and complex behavior. So, what can we learn from the octopus? This mysterious, shape-shifting, puzzle-solving sea creature reminds us how much more there is to discover about the natural world. Whether it's changing color without seeing color, or using tools without bones, the octopus teaches us that intelligence and adaptation can come in the most unexpected forms. If you enjoyed learning about the wonders of the octopus, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the natural world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.